In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash advance in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to record a cash advance to an owner so it reduces your bank balance without showing up as a business expense. I'm using QuickBooks Online for this walkthrough, and the process is quick once the right account is in place. First, make sure you have an equity account for owner withdrawals. This is important because cash advances to owners are not business expenses, they're distributions of equity. Open QuickBooks. Click the gear icon for settings and choose chart of accounts. Select new to add an account. For account type, choose equity. For detail type, pick owner's draw. Give it a clear name like owner's draw so it's easy to find later, then save. If you already have an owner's draw or a similar equity account created by your accountant, you can skip creating a new one and use the existing account. If your business is a corporation or uses different equity terminology, use the equity account your accountant recommends. Next, record the cash advance itself. Click the New button and select Expense. For payee, enter the owner's name or simply use owner if you prefer. Set the payment account to the bank or cash account the money is coming from, such as your business checking account. Confirm the date to match when the funds were actually advanced. In the Category Details section, choose the owner's draw account you just set up. Enter the amount of the advance, and if helpful, add a memo like cash advance to owner for clear documentation. When everything looks right, click Save. Here's what that does behind the scenes. Your bank balance is reduced by the amount of the advance, but nothing posts to the profit and loss. Instead, it flows to equity, which is exactly where owner distributions belong. That keeps your expenses accurate and your net income correct. A few quick tips to keep your books tidy. If the bank withdrawal has already downloaded into your bank feed, categorize it to owner's draw or match it to the expense you just created so you don't double count it. Consider attaching a note or brief support to the transaction to remind future you what this advance covered. To confirm it posted correctly, open your balance sheet and look for the owner's draw balance in equity. You won't see this on the profit and loss. That's it. With the equity account set and the expense recorded to owner's draw, your cash advance is tracked cleanly and accurately in QuickBooks.